This is the HW-398 USB decoy module. It allows you to draw higher voltages and more power from a smart PD charger's USB-C connector. If the USB connector on your charger breaks, you'll have 3 wires that don't provide power. Today I'll show you how to connect the decoy module directly to those wires. You can choose the module's voltage with a jumper. It is set by default to 12 volts. If your charger doesn't support 12 volts, you'll get the next supported lower voltage. This charger gives you 9 volts, even if the jumper is set to 12. Supported voltages are 9, 15 and 20 volts. You need to select one of these. First I remove the USB connector using a heat gun. You don't have to remove it, but this way I can make the setup more compact. My plan is to hide the module inside the cable. 3 wires come from the charger. The thin one is the signal wire, and the 2 thicker ones are power wires. The wire colors may vary depending on the device, but you can usually assume that black is ground. The signal wire is connected to the pin 1 of the chip, which is marked with a dot. The input side is cramped, so it's better to solder the power wires only to the output side. Even though this is a small project, I want to make a proper PCB. The device handles a decent amount of current, and a short circuit could cause a fire. A custom PCB also helps to keep the module compact and easy to hide inside the cable. There are notches on both sides of the PCB. They are for strain relief. I'm trying to make this as small and simple as possible. You only need to connect the power wires to the output side. Current doesn't pass through the module. The module just sends a request to the charger, and the charger provides the requested voltage through the power wires. I set the jumper to 20 volts, and according to the multimeter, the setup works as expected. Fly tying thread is thin and strong and makes a great strain relief. And I also add some glue to make it stronger. Since this module is so compact, it doesn't need a case. I can protect it with heat shrink tubing, which is good enough for indoor use. Now I can connect any device that runs on 20 volts, like soldering iron or the mini circular saw I used to cut the PCB. This power source provides over 2 amps at 20 volts. The power supply works great. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.